Welcome to the top picks. The best soaker hoses is probably one of the most efficient and water-saving ways to keep your garden thriving, especially during those hot summer months when consistent hydration is key to plant health and vitality. These ingenious hoses deliver water directly to the root zone of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff, which not only conserves precious water resources but also helps to prevent fungal diseases by keeping foliage dry. Whether you're tending to a sprawling vegetable patch, a delicate flower bed, or even just a few potted plants on your patio, a reliable soaker hose system can significantly reduce your watering chores while ensuring your greenery receives the consistent moisture it needs to flourish, making it an indispensable tool for any gardener seeking both convenience and sustainability. Number 5. Rocky Mountain Goods Heavy Duty Soaker Hose. Introducing the Rocky Mountain Goods Soaker Hose, designed for durability and efficiency. This heavy-duty hose is built to last for many seasons to come. It significantly reduces water usage, saving up to 70% compared to traditional sprinkling methods. Keep your garden looking lush while conserving water. Crafted from heavy-duty recycled rubber, this soaker hose is engineered for longevity. You can rely on it season after season. Need more length? No problem. Its reinforced fittings allow for quick and easy connection of additional hoses, expanding your watering coverage effortlessly. This soaker hose is ideal for efficiently watering your gardens and flower beds. It delivers water directly to the roots where it's needed most. An end cap is included, allowing for an additional hose to be connected. The reinforced fittings ensure a secure and straightforward setup. What we like? This hose is built to last with its heavy-duty rubber construction. It significantly reduces water usage, saving you up to 70%. If you need a durable and water-efficient solution for your garden or flower beds and want the option to expand your watering system, this is a great choice. What people say? It had a much greater output, which was even the whole way down the hose. The hose is so porous, so water comes out everywhere in little fountains. Consistent water flow end to end. Number 4. Flexon WS 100 KITCN 20-piece soaker hose kit. This is a comprehensive 20-piece kit, featuring a 100-foot soaker hose and 20 connectors. It provides everything you need for efficient and effective watering of your plants. Its porous design ensures that water is distributed evenly without clogging. This promotes healthy and consistent plant growth. This offers an efficient watering solution, delivering consistent moisture directly to the roots. It helps conserve water and reduces runoff. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed for long-lasting performance. It can withstand various weather conditions. Setting it up is straightforward, thanks to the detailed instructions included. You'll have it ready to use in no time. It's ideal for a wide range of applications. Use it for your gardens, flower beds, or any landscaping project. What we like? This option comes as a complete kit, making setup incredibly easy. Its non-clogging design ensures even water distribution for healthy plants. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for your garden or landscaping projects and want to get watering quickly, this kit is ideal. What people say? Assembly is really amazing. The ends and T's just push onto the hose. No leaks and no blowouts. My first time setting up a soaker hose, and it was easily done in one afternoon. You can cut the soaker hose to size and then bring a regular hose as close as you want and easily connect the soaker hose so you're only putting water where you need it. Number 3. Rocky Mountain Goods 25-foot flat soaker hose, 2-pack. Introducing the Rocky Mountain Goods 25-foot flat soaker hose, designed for efficient plant watering. This pack includes 2 hoses, perfect for your gardening needs. Experience efficient drip irrigation that saves up to 70% of water. It delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and ensuring healthier plants. Enjoy a consistent drip along the entire length of the hose. This ensures even watering for all your plants, no matter where it's laid out. Built with a heavy-duty double-layer design, it features a durable PVC liner covered in extra-strength fabric for long-lasting performance. It operates best at 25 to 30 psi. If you notice spraying, simply turn down the water pressure or use one of the 3 included pressure-reducing discs. This 100% environmentally friendly weeper hose is ideal for vegetable gardens and all your plants. It's a sustainable choice for eco-conscious gardeners. What we like. Featuring a robust double-layer design, this hose is built for longevity and efficiency. It conserves water by delivering it directly to the roots, saving up to 70%. If you have a vegetable garden or are concerned about water pressure and want an environmentally friendly option, this is a strong contender. What people say. This hose is fantastic. It works over slight bumps and small hills, unlike many other soaker hoses that need completely level ground. The Rocky Mountain Goods flat soaker hose appears to be well made, and it performed well last summer. These hoses were the perfect solution to slow watering my flower bed. Also, ended up being the correct length for my bed. Glad I ordered these. Number 2. Hlinker 100-foot flat soaker hose. Experience consistent and even watering with this innovative soaker hose. It delivers water slowly and steadily throughout its entire length, ensuring your entire garden bed receives the hydration it needs. Say goodbye to dry spots and hello to a healthier garden. Create your own custom irrigation system with this linkable soaker hose. Easily connect multiple hoses end to end, and bury it under mulch or soil for a discreet and efficient watering solution. It works perfectly with timers for automated watering. Built to last, this hose features a double-layer design with a strong fabric cover protecting it from sun damage. It's made from 100% environmentally friendly recycled vinyl, making it safe for watering edible plants. Its flat, kink-resistant design makes this hose incredibly easy to store and maneuver. It lies flat, allowing you to snake it under existing plants with ease and roll it up neatly for the next season. Achieve optimal watering with its unique dual-layer structure, ensuring steady seepage along its full length. It's designed to work efficiently within a specific pressure range, solving common low-pressure watering issues. This soaker hose conserves water by delivering it directly to the base of your plants, reducing waste by up to 80%. This targeted watering also helps prevent common water-related leaf damage. What we like. This hose offers consistent and even watering throughout its entire length, ensuring no spots are missed. Its linkable design provides great versatility for custom irrigation systems. If you need a flexible hose that can be easily connected to cover large or oddly shaped areas, and you appreciate a design that's easy to store, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Lightweight but sturdy, works well, easier to store as less bulk than traditional soaker hose. Works great. Paired with a water timer and quick release hose connections. I really like these soaker hoses. They are lightweight enough to lay over some of the shrubs, and they are the right color to make them hardly visible. They are on a timer, and 20 minutes, twice per day gives off just enough water to keep my flower beds happy. Number 1. Secbulk 2025 Flat Soaker Hose 100 feet. Experience consistent and even watering with this innovative soaker hose. Its unique design ensures water seeps slowly and steadily throughout its entire length, delivering hydration precisely where your plants need it. Achieve waste-free watering in your garden beds and tight spaces. This hose waters the base of your plants, minimizing water-related leaf damage and maximizing water efficiency. Easily create your ideal DIY irrigation system. This linkable soaker hose can be connected end-to-end and placed above ground or buried, offering flexibility for any garden setup. Built to last, its double-layer design protects against sun damage for regular use in all seasons. Made from 100% recycled vinyl, it's safe for your edible plants and the environment. This flat soaker hose is kink-resistant and lies flat, making it incredibly easy to roll up and store. Its shape also allows for simple maneuvering around existing plants. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. For optimal performance, ensure your water pressure is between 40 to 90 psi. What we like. With a dual-layer, leak-free design, this hose ensures efficient and consistent water delivery. It's linkable, allowing for a customized DIY irrigation system. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting hose that provides even watering and comes with the added peace of mind of a 1-year warranty, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I like the flexibility of it, not too heavy or bulky to move around, and the price wasn't bad either. I got 3 of them now. I can just set the timer and let my babies get a drink. They are sturdy. As well, I live in Vegas, so I'll see how they hold up in the desert. I like that it has a steady, evenly water flow. The hose delivers a steady, gentle flow of water right to the roots, which has helped keep my flowers healthy and thriving, even during hot days. It was easy to lay out around the plants, and it blends in nicely with the mulch, so it's not too noticeable. I've also noticed a lot less water waste compared to using a regular sprinkler. Each raised bed box gets one hose snaked around the plants, and I can hook up my garden hose easily and water the roots well in that bed, letting me tend to weeding or trimming while watering. Quite even watering overall. Love the material these are made of, nice and sturdy material that has not split or leaked and have survived the hot summer season well. The ends have a receiving end and also a capped off end, that is removable if one wishes to connect multiple units together. Just pull them up at the end of the season, drain the water out, and folds up flat for storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.